How to know if someone deleted their Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can find out if someone has deleted their Snapchat account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you think that someone you may know may have deleted their Snapchat account, you can simply try searching for them by the username if you remember the username. But if you don't remember the username, then in that case what happens is that you might not be able to find them, right? So if you remember the username and they don't show up, it could mean that they have deleted their account, but sometimes it could also mean that they have blocked you. So instead, if you have got a second Snapchat account, try to log into that account and try to search for the same person's username. If it doesn't show up in as many accounts as you have and it doesn't show up there, they could have most likely deleted their account. But if they show up in other account but not in a main account, it means they could have blocked you as well. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.